Line boring is the process of using a rotating boring bar, typically supported at both ends, with one or more cutting tool positions along the length of the bar. It is often used to machine engine crankcase main bearing housings by model makers and for in situ repairs. This animation is just something to talk over. Much better illustrations of the process can be found in videos by Blondie Hacks and by Cutting Edge Australia. I will put up card links. If you watch the other videos, you will see that adjusting the tool stick out is a bit of a performance. There is a commercially available answer to this in the form of the Vlieg Microbo modules. And these are available used really quite inexpensively from eBay. They have a graduated ring around the top and a locking screw into the bottom. Rather cleverly, there are alternative rings graduated to 40 rather than 50 for cutters angled to cut into corners. At a particular angle, this just works. A complication with using these is that you need a double keyway mounting hole. Having obtained a microbo insert to experiment with, I then decided to make a cutter to make the hole. The step was to machine a groove in a silver steel rod to accept some high-speed steel square bar. High-speed steel was then silver soldered in. Luckily, silver soldering temperatures do not soften HSS. I used a CBN wheel in the milling spindle to cut the tooth gullets. Then I used a different tool and a different setup to step the cuts and add back relief. Making the boring bar started with drilling an 8mm hole. Which was then counterbored for the locking screw. Then the bar was rotated and countersunk for the adjuster. Then the slots were broached on the fly press. Not entirely ideal, but it is what I have. The final result looks like this.